my mama.
Yeah.
If I think it's legit, this man ain't shit.
Yeah.
I'm the baddest bitch in the world. Straight up.
Hey, Funky Town.
All that race fixing shit needs to go.
Yeah.
All that race fixing shit needs to go. Don't race. Funky don't never sleep. Cut this big shit out. If you gonna fix it, race.
Yeah.
Don't race.
Yeah.
All that race fixing shit needs to go.
Yeah.
Don't fucking race. Y'all disappointing the fans with that race throwing shit. Just split the money.
Yeah.
Don't even fucking raise.
Hey man,
we spending our fucking money. That boom go for some real shit, not this big shit.
Yeah.
Spending our fucking money, man.
Do that again.
Cut this big shit out.
Do that again.
You get a boom when it's real shit, not this big shit. Cut that big shit out. Then a while ago, Frankie Taylor let him get to that sign over there before he took off.
What?
He been to spend the time.
Yeah.
I'm telling Lookout, turned it up on purpose. The whole fucking world.
Yeah.
All this big shit needs to go. If y'all not gonna go all out, don't fucking race.
Yeah.
Because the fans don't appreciate that big shit.
Yeah.
Cut that big shit out. Cut that bullshit out. That go for everybody.
Yeah.
Y'all cut this big shit out. Fixing these motherfucking races, letting the other car win, turning their car, spinning the tire.
Yeah.
You can't have fun on some fixed ass shit. Frankie Taylor let that man got to down up to the 330. All that kind of bullshit. All that bullshit. Cut that bullshit out, or the fans ain't gonna be coming to no motherfucking track. See big shit, that go for tuners, owners, all that bullshit. Cause it make it bad for the fans. We don't want to see no big shit. Hey man, that's why that other dude, a while ago, he come up here and bet way over $1,000 with Clyde against Frankie Taylor. Frankie Taylor let Clyde get here to damn near to the fence over there before he took off. Y'all bullshit. Cut that bullshit out. Seeing some fixed ass shit, Funky Town special, man. If y'all not gonna go all out, don't fucking race no more. I thought Clyde was gonna go on all out. Clyde spent the tire. He don't have to spin the tire to try to break no record. He can turn it up down there.
On your ass.
The baddest bitch in the world.
Yeah, this the baddest.
I'm way better than that. No, you ain't. You way better than Hey, see this motherfucker up?
Yeah.
Hey, he be betting on big shit. Hey, come here, motherfucker. He'll go back there and talk to him. They'll say, half of my carburetor's gone. Then he'll come back up here and bet. He can't bet straight up. You got to do your homework, right? You got to do your homework. He good with that big shit. That's no real shit. Hell no. That's no real shit. He better ask for odds. Then you are. Hell. On my mom. They be looking. He'll point.
Yeah.
I say right there, how much Roll say?
He'll change his bet up. He get all his other bets off.
Running over there. Ain't no bet. Ain't no bet.
Yeah.
Bro, they trying to run over motherfuckers to change that shit. That fake shit, he gotta go talk to him. I don't know what you gonna do. Oh, fuck, I'm just gonna get up there. My transmission hurts. How was the next lane red light? That's what he good at. You can't fuck with me. Shit.
Yeah.
I'm the baddest bitch in the world. Roll race. You can't fuck with me. Have you ever changed your back? Call to me. Call to me. Everybody done changed their back. No, call to me though. Come on, man. Hey, be real. Everybody knows some shit sometimes.
Everybody go, shout out, everybody go follow Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
They're the illest over here, bro. They're pretty lit, fucking, they got it going right now. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.